I know you don't think I pay attention to a lot of things, but I do. I know my children really well. You're tough, fearless, and a little bit closed off with your feelings.
Pot meets kettle.
Touché. Well, I guess we could both work on being a little bit more open.
Look, Dad, hear what you were trying to do, bringing us out here to connect. All of that is for nothing because you're leaving us.
Manny, I'm not leaving you, ever, okay? I'm your father, and that's it. I know you're upset, but this divorce isn't about you or Malaysia or the twins. This is about your mother and me.
I always knew there was something off between you two.